Hey, fifth graders, I'm going to give you the final passage of the week answer key. Again, I can't be there to go over it with you, so this is my best solution to that is I will go over, I'm going to read the passage and then I will show you the correct answers. So, here goes nothing. Say no to plastic bags. If you're still using plastic bags for shopping, think again. There are many reasons not to use plastic bags. Instead, we should use paper or reusable bags. Bags made out of cotton, for example, can be used over and over again. This is better for the planet because we don't throw them away after each use. Hey guys, in that first paragraph, do you see what point the author's trying to make? It says it in the title even. Basically, there are many reasons that we should not use plastic bags and instead should use paper or reusable bags. So, let's ditch the plastic bags. One reason is plastic bags cause a lot of pollution. Plastic bags don't dissolve. Most plastic is made from a combination of petroleum and natural gas. When making the bags, lots of greenhouse gases are created. This affects the climate around the world because it makes the hole in the ozone layer bigger. It also takes a lot of energy to produce these bags. The amount of energy required to make just 9 plastic bags is the same as driving a car half a mile. Most plastic bags are only used for 12 minutes or less. We use each plastic bag for a very short time, but they last for much longer, maybe even forever. Oopsie whoopsie, just a little typo, but we know what the author meant. Plastic bags travel long distances with the wind and water because they're light. They also end up in the water. When this happens, they become dangerous to animals. Tens of thousands of whales, birds, seals, and turtles are killed every year from plastic bag litter because these animals often mistake plastic bags for food. Plastic bags never break down. Instead, they break up into very small pieces that get blown around by the wind. Scientists believe that there are currently between 46,000 and 1 million tiny pieces of plastic per square mile in the world's oceans. From the time they're made to the time we throw them away, plastic bags affect the world's climate and animals. OMG. So, first of all, they cause pollution because they do not dissolve. And second of all, not only do they cause pollution, but they go so far because they're so light and the wind and the water can carry them. We're killing animals. We're using natural resources unnecessarily. Good grief. All right, the author's third point is that even though many people try to recycle plastic bags, it doesn't really help. Because plastic bags are often so thin and light, they easily get caught in the machines that are used for recycling. This makes these bags hard to recycle. Because of this, a lot of recycling facilities do not accept plastic bags. Only about 5% of the plastic bags made in the world get recycled. Even the bags that do get recycled still find their way into nature. Some countries have already banned plastic bags. For example, 4 years after China decided to ban plastic bags, there were 40 billion less plastic bags thrown in the trash. Some cities like Toronto in Canada are trying to follow China's example. If more cities and countries do the same thing, we could decrease pollution. So, in summary, there you go. Next time you go shopping, remember to grab reusable bags. Not using plastic bags can help decrease pollution. It will also help save animals that are harmed from plastic bags. We only have one world, so say no to plastic bags. Earth will thank you. So, guys, let's take a look at the questions real quick. I won't prolong this forever. Basically, which sentence expresses the main point? As you see, the answer is A. Plastic bags cause a lot of pollution. So, what piece of evidence best supports the claim that plastic bags take a lot of energy to make? Survey says D. The amount of energy required to make just 9 plastic bags is the same as driving a car half a mile. Number 3. Tens of thousands of whales, birds, seals, and turtles are killed every year from plastic bag litter because these animals often mistake plastic bags for food. So the author uses this sentence as evidence to support which point? That B, plastic bag pollution harms the ocean. What is another piece of evidence that the author uses to support this claim? Basically, that scientists believe that there are currently between 46,000 and 1 million tiny pieces of plastic per square mile in the world's oceans. Guys, that's kind of alarming. Now, if it was me and I was reading this, I'd think, well, my teacher gave me this article, but I wonder what other research there is out there. So if it was me, I might think, this author has given me some food for thought. This article has made me wonder, is there scientific evidence of this? And if there is, oh my gosh, is this call to action? So did the author really set out to do what they were wanting to do? I think so, because I know all this stuff, but even after reading this article, I'm thinking, gee, I need to make sure I'm really doing a better job. All right, question 4. The claim that recycling plastic bags is ineffective. Guess what? 3 of these support that claim. It says choose all that apply. Basically, they're hard to recycle. Only about 5% of them get recycled. And some that do get recycled still find their way into nature. So, good grief, that was a really exciting one. Last one, you can see an example paragraph. No, yours doesn't have to look exactly like this. However, it would be really nice if you had, basically, they want to know about the reasons and evidence the author uses to support that we should ban plastic bags. Well, you're going to at least restate the point that plastic bags should be banned because they cause pollution. There's your reason. Pollution from plastic bags harms the environment. Some countries have already banned plastic bags. For example, 4 years after China decided to ban plastic bags, there were 40 billion less plastic bags thrown in the trash. Some cities like Toronto are trying to follow China's example. If more cities and countries do the same thing, we could decrease pollution. So basically something along the lines of we've got to decrease pollution, we want to save energy, and we just really want to save our planet. We have one planet. We don't get another one. There is no backup planet. So, hope this helps. I hope you've been enjoying your articles. I know it's not the most exciting, but guys, this is a real life skill. You have to be able to listen to what somebody's telling you and decide, are their reasons and evidence valid, or are they just saying it because they want to manipulate my brain? So, anyway, until next time, take care.